guys, welcome to the journey. And as I explained in the last day of hashtag 21 days challenge, from now on I'll be every week making a video on kind of creativity, lifestyle and God, somewhere in that range. And so this is episode 1, and today actually I'm gonna be at the studios in London for my uni, and it's very very cold right now in London at the moment. So just trying to work that out. But yeah, we're now in like big studios now at uni. So I'm gonna be showing you guys kind of a little just simple signal flow on that, and it's gonna be featuring a student and an artist actually from my uni, Tamara Scar. So hello everybody, welcome to the journey, episode 1. And this trimester actually we're in the large console, we're in the large studios with large console desks, and I'm here with Tamara Scar, and we're just gonna really talk about large console desk in general. And she's gonna introduce herself, and she's gonna actually walk us through a signal path or the signal flow. And do you mind just introducing yourself, what you're doing, and just tell us about the desk and how it's kind of different from last trimester where we're using smaller desks and things like that.
I like how I sound like a pro when
it
comes to this.
You've been practicing for like so long.
I'm Tamara Scar, I'm a musician, learning how to become a producer, doing a bit of live sound. And currently we are working on SSL 4K G Plus console. Previous trimester we worked on NIV 75 and AWS 900. And now we are working on slightly bigger consoles, NIV VR and this one. Some say they prefer to record on NIV and do mixing on G+, so it's just a matter of personal preference. So what would you like me to show you? I've been practicing a bit on
do you mind coming closer? Do you mind just showing us a little bit of, we're gonna just a signal flow. If you don't mind, we can just turn on music, use an oscillator.
By the way, this is Jimmy's track. This music you
really good.
He's amazing,
yeah.
Awesome. So so let's go to record mode, because that's what we're currently learning. We're not in mix mode. We are going to record mode. So some of the questions ask us to, using an oscillator microphone, send the signal to DAW, which is over there, of Pro Tools, and return it on the console. And we have to meter and monitor it at all stages. We need to make sure that we are in record mode, that we turn the oscillator on. Are going from oscillator to, I will use channel 24 to stay close to the center of the console, so everything is easier. Then I'm going to flip to line, right, because we're using oscillator. And I'm going to channel to meters. That's the first stage of metering the input signal.
And these are VU meters, which are really cool.
And then I am going to send it to Pro Tools. So in order to meter what I'm sending, the amount I'm sending, I'm going to Ready Group. I'm going to press Direct. Sorry, that was already up. I'm going to press Direct and send it to Pro Tools. Now we can see the amount I'm sending here. Cool. So now we are going to Pro Tools. We could have opened it a bit sooner so we don't waste anyone's time, but and we are going to create a new track. And we need to make sure that the input and output are set on channel 24, which in Pro Tools will be B8, input and output. Okay, we're creating a new track. You can call it oscillator. We are sending them to B8, input and output, which correlates to channel 24 on the desk. So now that we did that, now we are going to ready tape to meter here what is coming out of Pro Tools. Okay, so in order to do that, we need to come back here. We need to press I for input. And the way you can check is by moving the fader here. If you take a look at the VI meter, you see how it is moving. So you know you are metering the off-tape signal. Off bus means what is going to Pro Tools, off tapes what is coming back from the Pro Tools onto the console. Okay, onto the channel. So now we are metering that. Now we wanna hear it. So we need to raise the small fader because we are on monitor path, and this is it.
Okay.
The metering on the master section.
Yeah.
Yeah. So using quad we are metering now what we send into monitor mix.
Yeah.
Cool. Wow.
Awesome. Just like that.
Hope
exactly.
that was informative.
Yeah, I hope you guys liked it. So that's again, there you go. That's a simple signal flow with an oscillator by Tamara Scott. And so please just tell us where we can find you online, and yeah, let people know what's up in your life at the moment.
What's up in my life? I'm becoming more and more proactive.
Yes,
you
she
can
is.
find me on Instagram under the name Tamara Scar, Facebook, Twitter, and I'm about to start a YouTube channel.
There you go.
Yeah, telling
just
my
let- just
story.
let-
I
just-
see you're doing something similar, isn't it, as well?
Yeah.
Team as well. There's a crew of us now collaborating, willing to share our stories, interview others. So if you have any cool stories, just let us know.
Exactly. Yeah.
We want to hear and share on our channels, and it's all about collaboration now, yeah?
Yeah.
And Jimmy is amazing.
definitely the guy with the
If
camera.
you
at the
need an
moment.
amazing camera guy or a guitarist or a producer,
Yeah.
talk to Jimmy.
Yeah. So when she starts her YouTube channel, I'll definitely be letting you guys know about that.
Yeah.
Anyways, again, thank you so much, Tamara.
No
I'll
worries,
see you guys
thank
next
man.
time. Bye. Bye.